Hello guys, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. My name is Krishnara and today in this video I'm going to tell you how to make a Space Invader game using MIT App Inventor. So this game will be in two parts. In first part I will explain how to make image sprite motion and how to do basic setup for this game. So let's begin. So simply I will search here on this Google browser MIT App Inventor and then I'll click on this. Then I'll click on create apps and then simply I will click on start new project and I'll give a name space invaders and I'll click on OK. So already it is given, so just I will give a different name. So I think this is fine, this is also there. So space invaders 1, yeah, done. Now one window will automatically open. Yeah, this is open. Yes. So if you guys are doing this thing first time, if you are using MIT App Inverter, so I will suggest just go to my previous video so that you can get an idea. I have already done a lot of things on MIT App Inventor, so just pause those previous videos so that you can get a proper idea. So for this game we need some images and some canva. So let's pick one by one. First what I will do, I will just go to drawing and animation and then I will take a canva from here and you can see all the things you have to put on this viewer area. So this is nothing your mobile phone, and you know one thing, I have already connected my phone through Google Meet and I'm sharing my screen. So here you can see this is my screen. So whatever changes I will do in MIT App Inventor, I will show through this. And you can see this is the MIT AI2 companion. So I will connect and I will see whatever changes we will do in this screen area. Now let's make this Canva full parent. So I will just make it fill parent so that it will cover entire height of the screen, and then this width also I will make it fill parent. Done. Now we need few more things, like we need few buttons and images. So first let's take image one by one. So I will upload all the images from here. So you can see guys, one by one I will upload. This is the sound. So there are two sound, explosion and shoot sound. So because we are going to make a space invader game, so there will be a spaceship, there will be a rocket, there will be missile. So wherever missile will collide with the spaceship, then shoot sound will be playing. So let's take one by one and upload all the media over here. Okay, so this thing is uploaded. Now let's take another one. Let's take another missile and let's put it. Okay, yeah, here it came. Explosion didn't come, so I will click on again and I will try to fetch. Here it is. Yes. And now let's take another one, rocket. So rocket is there. So basically you have to take all the images, and these images I have already given in my description, so you guys can find out. I have attached these images along with the sound effect. So that's done. Shoot is there, spaceship image. So spaceship image I have taken. Now what next? So this is there, spaceship. Yeah, everything I have taken from here. Yes. Now what we have to do, we have to take image sprite. One is for rocket, one is for alien ship, and another is for missile. So rocket, alien ship and missiles. So just put a different name. So here image sprite is given, so let's put alien ship, and so we have to upload respected image. So here picture, I will select alien ship. Yeah, so picture is there and it came here, you can see guys. Now we have to change the properties, so we have to change the height basically, so make it 70. I'll just make it 70, and width also I'll make it 70, and let's see how it looks. Yeah, so here it is. Now first I will do one thing in Canva. Let's upload the background image. So background image will be like a space image, so I will select this one. Yeah, and yes, now let's connect our phone and let's check it. So first I will click on AI companion, and I am already sharing my screen, so let me open my things, and I will scan QR code. And here what you can see guys, I'm sharing my screen and I have scanned that QR code of MIT App Inventor. It will take some time. Here you can see it is loading. So once it will done 100%, you guys can see these things. Yeah, here it is. So you can see ship position is correct. Now for different phone this screen will be differ, so I will suggest uh, these properties you can change according to your phone. Now here we have to do one more thing. Let's click on screen one and let's take the orientation. So I'm making a portrait game, so I will just click on portrait, so that in landscape it will not work. By default it will be portrait only. So I have uploaded this alien ship image. Now let's upload the another one. Let's rename this first. So let's make it rocket, and here it is. Yeah, so let's upload the images. Let's upload the respected image. Rocket is here, yeah, and here we go. Again same thing, properties, height and width. So let's take 70 pixel, and height also and width also 70 pixel. Let's keep it and let's check how was it. Let's check the phone. Here you can see it needs some more down, it should be here. So what you can do guys, y value of this rocket is given 255, I'll make it 550, and let's see how it appears in my phone. So one more thing I wanted to tell you guys, you can see here in this screen rocket is not visible, because here whatever changes I am doing that is according to my phone, not according to this screen. So here you can see this is visible, but height is little bit very small, so let's increase the height of this rocket so that it's not look like cluttered. So height I will just do 80, and we'll see that how it looks now. Little bit more, so let's make it 90 then. 95. Now we'll see how it appeared. Now I think it's fine. Yes, now rocket is there, alien ship is there. Now what left? Missile. So let me give a name, missile, and let me do these things. Let me upload the picture, missile, yes, and here we go. Again same thing, properties, height and width. So let me give 70, height and width also 70, yes. So this will go behind the rocket, so accordingly we have to change. So whatever position is for rocket is given here, x is 123, y is 550. So let me put the same thing, for missile X123. So X123, yes, and Y according to the rocket 550. So for missile I'm going to put 550 so that it will go behind that. Yeah, now let me show you these things. Let me show you my screen. Here you can see still something, you can see some part of the missile is visible, so we have to move it little bit downside. So for that we can make it 560. Y will be 560, and let's see now again. Yes, now it is clear, but width of that red color you can see here. So let me hide that things also. So width, let me decrease that. Let me make it 50. And yeah, now take a look. Yeah, now it comes this way, left side. So little bit to this side. So make it 126x. Now let's see again. Again it is visible. So first decrease the width. Let me make 40, and let me do this 128. Yeah, now let's see. Still it is visible. So 135, and let me refresh the companion once again. Yeah, now you can see now it's not visible, so it's correct. So we have taken a spaceship, we have taken rocket, we have put a missile behind the rocket, so everything is done. Now what left? So we have to take notifier, and we have to take two sound things from media. So first let me take notifier. So what is the use of notifier? Let me tell you one thing. So whenever like game will be uh, like whenever this ship killed by that things, then we can display something like game over, or enemy killed, like that kind of thing we can display using this notifier. Suppose there will be value for this ship. Suppose let's say the value of ship is 100. So whenever missile collided with ship, then that value is going to be decreased, and whenever it will collide it will keep on decreasing. But once what happened, once the value of alien ship, which is health of ship, will become 0, then we can notify on the screen. So notifier is like a kind of a message which will pop up once uh, once the game will over. So it will pop up on the screen like game over, you killed the enemy, or you lose the game, you won the game. That kind of message we can do through this notifier. That's why uh, we need this one. Now let me take two sounds, explosion sound and shoot sound. So we need two sound. So 1 and 2. Now let me rename that. Shoot. One will be shoot. When this will happen? Once that missile collide with alien ship, then shoot sound we can play. And once ship collided with rocket, once alien ship collided with rocket, then we can play explosion sound. That's why I have taken two things here. You can see shoot and explosion. So let me upload the respected file shoot. Here we have to upload shoot. So shoot is there, and here we have to upload explosion. So explosion I have taken. Yeah, so this basic setup is done, and let me show you these things. Yeah, so here it is. You can see this is the basic setup, and now let's move to that programming things. So yeah, here blocks. So in this part of video, what we will do, we will write a simple program to drag this rocket, and we will launch the missile. So first what we will do, first we will take a value of ship. So there'll be a health value of ship. So let me take that health, ship health. Let me write ship health. Yes, ship health. 2. Let me give 100. So from math, I will just write 100 to this. Yes. And one more thing, let's move to designer because we have to add on the top health and something like health value and then start button. So we need few things. So for that, first let's take horizontal layout so that all three will align in the same line. And now come to user interface. Let me take button. Now we need few labels, so which is for ship health and ship health value. So two label I have taken. So let's rename this. So what is this? This is for ship health. Okay, now we have to do the changes in text here also. So here what I will write, ship health, and let me do this thing in bold. I will select font bold and let me increase this font size 22. Yeah, now what about this? So this is the value. So let me health value. So health value, which is fine, and from text remove all the things. Yes, and here this is the start button. So once the game will over, we can actually do start again from this button. And let me make it bold and let me increase this thing 22. So for all of them it will be identical. And text for button 1. So here let's write start. Yes, now everything is fine, and let's see how it appears in my phone. Here you can see, guys, ship health start. So whatever value will be there for ship health, it will be displaying in the middle of start and ship health. In between these two, that value will come. So let's move to the blocks again. Yeah, so first we will do when rocket dragged. Where is the rocket? So let's click on rocket. When rocket dragged, whenever we drag the rocket, what will happen? Then we will do one thing, set rocket x. Where is the x value? Yeah, because rocket we have to move only on x axis, so that's why we will take only x, and then we'll take get current x. That is done. And whenever rocket touch, so whenever we touch the rocket, we have to launch the missile. So what we will take here, when rocket touched this block. Yeah, exactly this block. Now whenever we touch the rocket, we have to launch the missile. So I will take set missile x2 x, and then let's take copy paste, and here one more thing, copy paste. Let me connect this thing here, y-axis, and here we have to do heading. So a missile will be heading towards 90 degree because it's supposed to go on the vertical side to the ship side. So we will just give a value 90 to this, and here we have to set the position x and y of the missile. So x value of this missile, first what you have to do here, rocket x plus y. So this missile has to move along with the rocket. So if you move the rocket, missile also has to be moved. So what we can do here, missile rocket rocket X, not this one, rocket X. Where is the rocket X? Yeah, rocket X, and this we can put in garbage, and plus 20. So actually this value will be different for you guys. For each phone this value will be different, so you can say it, you can vary this value, and I will show you how this thing is happen in my phone. So let me put this rocket Y also, or you can do copy and paste. Yes, so Y is rocket Y plus 10. So whatever changes we will do for rocket means that whenever we drag the rocket, X value and Y value of rocket will be changed, so that missile value also should be changed according to the rocket, so that it both will move at a time. Yes, now let's put a speed of the missile. So here I will do copy paste. So here you can see all the parameters what we need. Speed, then speed, let me put 160. You can change it according to your requirements, and interval is required. So what is the means of interval? Interval actually make your motion very smooth. So interval value I'll keep 20, and then again what we will do here, we will enable the missile enable true. We need true. Where is true? True is present in the logic. I will connect this one. Now let me refresh the companion. Let me show you how it appears in the mobile. Yes, so let me drag this one. What you can see guys here, what you can see on the top, this missile has been rotated, right? So how to solve this thing? So let me go to this designer and select the missile, because missile rotates. So just disable these things and come to that phone. Again I will show you. Now it is not rotating, isn't it? So this is the basic setup which we have done, which we have learned in this video. So next other programming things we will finish in the next part. So was the second part and complete this game. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys.